Hey fellow graphic designers, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to download fonts and upload it to Canva. So I will show you 5 free websites that I personally use for my designs. These are all free. So coming up, number 5 is 1001 Fonts. 1001 Fonts offer a variety of fonts, and it is 21,446 fonts right now. You can download it for free. You have a search bar in the top. You can search by names or you can search by categories here. So you can click this one of these categories and it will be give you the right fonts that you want to download it for your graphic design. Now I suggest you have to read all the terms and conditions before you download it if you want to use it for your commercial use. Now when you already choose your font, click download and it will download directly straight to your computer. Now how to upload it to Canva, if you still don't know, stay until to the end. I will show you how to upload the font to Canva and use it for your graphic designs. Coming up, number 4 is Google Font. Google Font also offer variety of fonts that you can use for your graphic design needs. You can search by names or you can search by categories, language, or fonts properties. When you already choose the font, you can left click and then you have other settings here. You can read about the font, go through all of them and make sure to stay out of trouble, because if you might get in trouble if you are using for your commercial use. So I suggest you read everything, the license and who is the creator of the font before you use the font. Once you're done, click download and it will download straight to your computer. Coming up, number 3 is fontsly.com. Fontsly.com also offers a variety of fonts that you can use for your graphic designs. You have recent fonts, you have top fonts, you have designers, and you have search bar at the right side. You can search by names or you can search by categories. Once you're done searching, you can click download and it will download straight to your computer. Now I suggest, if you want to use these fonts for the commercial use, I suggest you read everything first before downloading the font, because you might get into trouble. Coming up, number 2 is fontspace.com. Fontspace.com has 94,000 plus free fonts that you can use for your graphic design needs. All the fonts here are free, but if you want to use for your commercial needs, I suggest you read all the terms and conditions first before downloading it and use it for your commercial use. You have fonts here, you have styles, you have collections, you have fonts generations, you have symbols and designers here. You can search fonts by name, you have search bar right here. Once you are done searching, you can download the font straight to your computer right here. How to upload it to your Canva, I will show you right after this. Stay until to the end so that you will know how to upload font to Canva and use it for your designs. Coming up, number 1 is dafont.com. Dafont.com offers variety of fonts you can use in your designs as well. You have search bar right here at the right side and you have categories. Once you are done searching, you can go down and click download. This will download straight to your computer as zip file, and then open the zip file and upload it to Canva. How to upload font to Canva, stay till to the end of this video. I will teach you how to upload font to Canva and use it in your designs. After downloading your font will download as zip file to your computer. Now extract your zip file. This is my folder. Go to Canva and then go down to brand kit. From there you will see these are all the fonts that I uploaded. I downloaded from the website that I show you and uploaded to Canva. How to upload to Canva, you just click upload a font and then the new window will pop up and just click the font that you download and then open and then press yes, upload anyway, and wait for the font to upload. Now your font is already upload it. Now let's say if you are mistaken and upload a wrong font. To delete a font, you just click this. Just click this one and press select delete font permanently. I will also delete this one, also this one, and this one. And then let's open a new design and see if the font is really working in our design. Go to text, type anything. And the font that we upload is Canva. Sorry, Canva. Right there. This is the font that we uploaded to Canva. So there you have it. Please read everything first before download your font. And guys, thank you for staying with me until to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and comment. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.